Hi guys, hope everyone is having a good day. I just quickly want to give you some information or tips on what you should do once you file for this round of filing season. As we know that filing season will be open mid-July up until the 23rd of October. Now, what do you need to do if you find yourself in a position where you feel like the auto assessment that you received is inaccurate? The video that I made previously, I explained to you a type of dispute that you can do, which is when you request for reasons. But say now that you do agree with some of the taxable income that are in your return as well as some of the deductions, but you notice that there is one taxable income that is incorrectly included, and you know the reason for the incorrect inclusion. For example, you know that your IPR 12 was incorrect in terms of some of the inclusion that they had. For example, maybe the car allowance that you got was incorrect as per your IPR 12, or your travel allowance was incorrectly computed. When you know for sure where the incorrect amount comes from, then you are able to opt for doing an ITR 12 instead of accepting your auto assessment. However, timelines are very important. You have 40 days from the day when assessment opens, or from the day when you receive your auto assessment, for you to opt to do an ITR 12 instead of accepting your auto assessment. What is an ITR 12? An ITR 12 is income tax return 12. I don't know why they say the number 12, but this is essentially where you opt to do your own return, where you will list all the taxable incomes that you had, which in a case of someone who just worked with no other additional income, that income will then be your remuneration and all the deductions that you have. So your deductions will be in relation to your trade, which is employment. So yeah, be informed. Always try to get assistance from a tax practitioner, and happy filing season.